In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupon in Systeme, IO guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a coupon that looks professional and works seamlessly at checkout. Start by heading to your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace if you manage multiple projects. At the top of the page, look for the main navigation menu, hover over or click on Assets. This is where Systeme.io groups resources you can reuse across your offers, including media, tags, and of course, coupons. Inside Assets, select Coupons. This takes you to your coupon management page where you'll see any existing coupons and their details. In the top right corner, click Create to start making a new one. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive coupon name. This name is internal, so pick something that helps you recognize the purpose at a glance, like a campaign name or promotion theme. Next, type in the coupon code your customers will enter at checkout. Keep it simple, easy to remember, and free of confusing characters. Short and readable codes reduce typos and support sharing in emails or social posts. Choose the discount type. You'll typically pick between a percentage discount or a fixed amount. Use a percentage for store-wide or tiered product pricing and a fixed amount when you want predictable savings regardless of the original price. After that, enter the discount amount. Double check the value so you don't accidentally offer more than intended. If you're using a percentage, make sure it reflects the true promotion, like 10 or 15, not 0.1 or 0.15. Set an expiration date by clicking the small calendar icon and choosing when the offer should end. Expirations create urgency and help you run time-bound promotions. If your audience spans multiple time zones, consider communicating the cutoff time clearly in your marketing so expectations match what's configured. Now add the limit of use. This defines how many total times the coupon can be redeemed. It's a great way to cap redemptions for scarcity-based campaigns or to control promotional costs. Pick a number that aligns with your inventory, budget, and goals. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new coupon is now stored in your assets and ready to be applied to your offers and checkout pages. A quick best practice before you promote it. Preview or test the checkout with the code to ensure the discount, expiration, and usage limit behave as expected. That's all there is to it. Your coupon is created and ready to drive conversions.